myself Raghav Agrawal from Western Odisha Residential Public School, District Noida. This is my team. Please introduce.
My name is Haryom Goyal.
My name is Sania Khatun.
My name is Damayanti Behra.
My name is Aryanis Panda.
With the guidance of our teachers, we have made this amazing project whose name is Dust Cleaning Project. The materials used in this project are Blix Robotic parts, motors and the battery packs. How it works? It works with the battery packs. We have to switch on this battery and the wheels will move on.